Just go with it then, huh? Okay. No, go upstream. Because if you go straight across or go up? You gotta go up, Bert. Bert, you gotta go up. Yeah, because if you go down, he can't catch you. This is kind of tricky. Oh! He's stuck. Rescue mission. Hang on! Okay, I'm not going that way. Okay, here I go. Just go with it then, huh? Okay. Just keep walking that way? What? Okay. Went from here. Okay. Whoa!
This is the pass of the dinosaur.
Oh my gosh! Whoa!
Almost when you go on the rapid, just let go yourself, roast it, and it will get you to the other side.
Right.
But never straight for you.
I was just looking at that hand that was sticking out from you. It's like, grab that hand. Whoa. All right, we all made it. Whoa. Okay.
Very good.
You want to use it?
No, we'll leave it here for next time.
Okay. Whoa. watch this rock right here, it's loose. This rock right here, don't step on it. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You all right? Voltei Marcel. He's okay. Are we having fun yet? Woo! Alright, this is a very difficult waterfall, but you can jump it, but you got to be very, very precise. And if you look, as you're looking at the waterfall to the left, you have to jump just on the side of the waterfall, but you don't want to get into the whirlpool below. So you got to go to the left, jump in, and hopefully then, as you jump, you're going to go to the right, your right, our left, that way with the current. But if not, you get caught right under the waterfall and you just get washed around for a long time before maybe they spit you out, maybe not. It's doable, but we're not going to do it today. Number one, we don't have time, and number two, it's kind of dangerous. But it can be done, maybe another time. So instead, we're just going to eat potato chips. Yeah, that's safer.